Welcome to LittleTalesKitab! Let's cook with colors! Look! A bright red tomato! Red is the color of yummy tomatoes!
Here comes green broccoli!
Green means healthy and fresh. Don't forget yellow corn. Yellow is bright and sunny. Blueberries bring a blue touch. Purple is playful and sweet. Look at the rainbow in our pan.
Tomato goes in first.
Broccoli adds green magic.
Corn makes it sunny yellow.
Blueberries add a splosh of blue. Purple grapes make it colorful.
Ah! Mix, mix, mix! Add some magic sugar. Orange carrots are delicious!
Look at our colorful feast! Spicy red adds fun. Tiny green peas join the party. Sunny yellow pancakes.
Purple eggplant is ready.
Blue adds sweetness.
Mixing magic. Red brings love to cooking.
Green brings health.
Yellow brings sunshine. Blue brings calmness. Purple brings fun.
Let's cook them all.
A magical rainbow soup. Red tomato for energy. Green broccoli for strong bodies. Yellow corn for happy days. Blueberries for calm and joy. Purple grapes for fun times.
Mixing is fun.
Yummy! So colorful!
A little yellow zest.
Red apples are sweet.
Green adds freshness.
Yellow banana for happy snacks.
Blue desserts are magical.
Purple cupcakes are fun! Even our tools are colorful.
Red makes it exciting. Green makes it healthy.
Yellow adds sunshine. Blue makes it magical.
Purple makes it playful.
Chef Ayan is ready.
Chef Maya helps with magic. Chef Hoor is ready.
Let's mix everything for fun. So many colors to learn.
Cooking is magical. Purple goes here.
Blue adds calmness. Yellow is happy.
Red is exciting.
Green is healthy. Our rainbow soup is ready.
Time to serve.
Red sauce makes it bright.
Green herbs make it healthy.
Yellow cheese is yummy.
Blue syrup adds magic. Purple jelly is fun.
Our colorful meal is ready.
Red brings energy. Green brings health.
Yellow brings joy.
Blue brings calm. Purple brings fun. Colors make cooking magical.
Thanks for cooking with us. And us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Keep learning colors every day. See you next time for more fun.